Dang, how does this go again? I forgot. I'm not good with the showbiz stuff, bro.
What's going on, beautiful people of the internet? We are back at another video, at another car meet, like we always are, and we got some cool stuff planned for tonight, and we got a rubber chicken. Let's get right into the action. They already got a Camaro out here with a two-step. I can't hear anymore. I might as well go home now. Y'all already know what I'm gonna be doing in a little bit. Oh, there's a BRC shooting flames. Look at all the people making their way. Hubba, 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 hubba. Golly! Yeah, he's backing up. What is that? God dang! That was good. He got out of the way completely. Yeah, he come back now. He come back. My man's doing a burnout over here in his parking spot. He ain't even moving.
I got you. Okay? I'm watching.
Bruh!
My shit, bro.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
This man just got tire rubber all over his car. Bruh! Nah, there's a balloon on the loose.
Oh no, it's on the loose.
No! You got an RX-8 revving over here. Sounds like a dang motorcycle.
That rotary engine, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the guy doing? What? Oh my God, it's Audie Loafer.
Oh my God, it's Hunter Phillips.
What's up, Audie Loafer?
What's up, Hunter Phillips?
What's up, Audie
What's
Loafer?
up, Hunter Phillips?
What's up, Audie
What's up,
Loafer?
Hunter Phillips?
What's up, Audie Loafer? What's up? Oh, Steve Loafer! Ah! So fun fact about this Charger right here, it is twin turbo with 600 horsepower. What the fuck? Now I was looking at this Porsche, I was like, oh hey, this shit's pretty cool. Oh my God!
Like I said,
This man got a, this isn't even a diffuser, this is a whole wing.
That ain't a diffuser, that's a diffuse.
Cody! Golly, Cody, Jesus! So we were all over there, and we're migrated over here now. I don't know, a bunch of random people are parking over here, so I have no idea what's going on. Oh, it's that guy again, the guy who did the burnout. Yes, Golly! Oh my God! Buddy, chill! Oh! Golly! Oh, we got sparks already. We gonna pop his tire. I can't see anymore. Oh, he just told me. I just was asking, bro.
That doesn't matter. Peer pressure does not matter, bro. All right, I'm chill.
That's facts, though. That's facts.
I swear to God, I just like, what a host there, right? I was like, what, bro?
Yeah, that's
like,
true. That is true.
I thought that was it, bro. I got you. I'm gonna get out of the park right now. On God, I got you.
A few moments later.
Golly! I almost got Mustang!
Not today.
What is happening? What just happened? Holy shit! Guy almost took me out! Jesus! And he going all the way over there. What is going on?
I don't fucking know.
My man zooming, Jesus.
And now the.
Shut the fuck up.
And now the.
Shut up.
And now the moment.
Fucking swear.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. And there he is, Hunter Films right here. Yes, that's right. It is me, Tobias, and I have taken over his camera. Now I'm probably gonna go deaf.